We received Zulay's kitchen milk frother set, and we have been so happy being able to try this out. It is so much fun. So here's what is included in the set. You'll receive some coffee art stencils, your frothing pitcher, and the milk frother. It does not come with batteries. You will need 2 AA batteries. And you'll want to make sure that ribbon is positioned under the batteries so that you can easily get them in and out. Without it, it is pretty difficult to get those batteries out. But you can see it starts right up and how easily it is to froth some milk. It's so fun to be able to make these drinks now at home, and you can see the little stencil. You put it on top of your coffee mug and pour some spices on top of your coffee to make some art. And it comes with a stand so you can position your frother right by your coffee machine. It's so fun to test this frother out, and we are excited to keep making some latte art.